Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Peugeot 308. So this car comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, the radio has a CD player and Bluetooth, you also get air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This is a two-owner vehicle that's got the 1.6 HDI engine, and this gives you 110 horsepower. There's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done under 61,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please contact us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.